Now, if you're looking for the perfect razor and you're wondering what the greatest of all time is, look no further because I found it. Hey everyone, I'm Dave with Beast Made Reviews, of course, a channel dedicated to reviewing quality at different price points. Now, of course, I shave. You can obviously see that I don't have a beard, and because of that, I'm always looking for a good razor that I think that I really like. I've gone through several in my lifetime ever since I've been a teenager, from really cheap disposable ones all the way up to some that have maybe like 5 blades or more. I've tried a couple different designs, but this one ultimately is the best razor I've ever tried. This one is the La Criatura by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. And this one is the GOAT, greatest of all time. Now, if you watched a video earlier in the year that I made about best gear of the year with my Beamer Awards, you may have seen this razor. If you haven't watched that video, definitely go and check it out up here. Now, of course, if you're interested in this at all, I'll have a link down below. It is an affiliate link. Anytime you buy something through that, it does help out the channel, helps me make content just like this for you guys, helps me find the greatest of all time for you guys. I'm always on the hunt for this. Now, of course, I've talked a lot about Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements on the channel. I love their soaps. I love their deodorants. I love their shave soaps. You name it, I love it. And now I am a huge fan of their razors. This one is easily the best razor I've ever tried, and I do not mean that lightly. This is absolutely the greatest. What's even better than that is it's not super expensive either. This is $26. It's not hard to shave with. It's super sharp. The razor blades are super inexpensive and cheap. I mean, there's really no downside to this at all. Now, I've tried a few different safety razors. By far, the most common one that you'll see is just the straight one, and that's really good. I've tried those, and I've had good success with those. I like those too. But the key to this one being the greatest of all time is, if you look at it, the slant. This one is twisted, and that to me is really the key to what makes this great. Now, the slant is really interesting because you might be wondering what it actually does. What's so good about a slant? Why would you even twist it in the first place? This slant actually maximizes the cutting power of your razor. If you think about slicing something, when you cut into some bread, you could cut it by getting the knife and just pressing it down and just doing a push cut. That would cut it, but it would also crush it as well. You wouldn't get a very clean cut. But what you want to do is you want to slice it. You want to use the edge in a lateral motion to actually slice through whatever you're cutting. That actually makes the most out of your edge and slices through it instead of pressing down and chopping through it. So the slant automatically puts the razor into a cutting motion instead of a chopping motion. It makes it super easy to cut any hairs in your face and super smooth, super quick. It minimizes any bumps or irritation, and overall is just amazing how smooth and clean and easy it is to cut with this, to shave with this. Also too, this is a little bit adjustable. Whenever you're attaching the head on here to the body, you could actually come off the threads just a little bit, maybe like an 1/8 of a turn, and that will give you an even closer shave if you want that. But I would just first tighten it up till it's snug and see if you like that. And if it's not close enough, it probably will be, but if you still want it to be even closer, back off maybe an 1/8 of a turn and you'll get an even closer shave, if you can believe that. Now the comb in this is actually really cool as well. You notice these little grooves on the outside. The comb acts as a way to kind of pick up the shave soap that's on your face. Any kind of shave soap or shave cream kind of moves it out of the way, pushes it out of the way, gets it from clogging into the blade, preventing it from cutting. Yet just another tiny little design tweak that's just amazing about this. Now sure, this is named after like the black creature from the Black Lagoon. It has a really cool look to it. Looks like D&D dice or something like that. It looks great. They have lots of different colors as well. They have some that glow in the dark, that are blue, that are orange, that are green, that are red. It's made of ABS plastic, which is not super high end, but is really inexpensive and it lasts a long time. I'm okay with that for $26. Now, this isn't a unique design to Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. They actually adapted this from an old classic razor. I think it was called the Phazon Blue Ghost or something like that, but it was very similar to this. So it's not new to Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, but they've just really perfected everything about this design. How cool it looks, of course, the ease of use, and of course, the really inexpensive price point. I've gotten so upset with shaving with razors that cost $50 that take $30 refills. I'm so done with using razors that have 5 blades that don't cut well. This is a total game changer in the way that you shave. This is a must buy, I think, for anyone who is out there looking to shave. It's amazing. I don't know how long these will stay in stock. I don't think this was a permanent release from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, but I think that if you want something that is smooth, that is clean, that is just an easy overall experience, and you don't want to spend a lot of money, you've got to check this out because it is by far the greatest of all time. Now I'll have links down below to this. It's amazing. You've definitely got to check it out. So that's all I have. What do you think? I'd love to know your thoughts. Definitely check it out, guys. It's amazing. The GOAT. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with Beastmade Reviews. Bye.